In this video, I will teach you how to create a complete hostel management system software. I will share with you the premium source code to create this hostel management system website. You can easily create a complete hostel management system website using this premium source code. We are getting the most powerful super admin and admin panel to manage this hostel management system software. This admin panel contains many important functionalities and feature sections to manage the hostel management system software. Using these feature sections, we can easily manage the hostel management system software step by step. Also, we can add accounting manager and hostel members to manage the website. There is a specific account panel for accounting managers. They can manage various features of the website using this account panel. Also, each hostel has specific account panel for members. They can manage their account very easily using this account panel. You can create complete hostel management system software through this source code. So let us now learn how to create a professional hostel management system website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create hostel management system software. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow! Now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish hostel management system software online. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 5.3 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Then we will upload the zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we have to do the purchase code verification here. For that we will submit the purchase code here. Then we need to submit the database information here. Now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect hosting panel database information to website. For this you have to follow this video completely step by step. Then we have to go on to the next step. Now we have to select the specific time. Then we have to submit this information to the website step by step. You will submit this information as per your requirement. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is fully ready. Now we can manage the website very easily by logging into the admin panel, because here you get many important features and functionality sections to manage the hostel management system software. We can add super admins to manage the website if we wish. Also, if you don't understand the features section of admin panel, then contact us. We will explain you step by step. In this video, I have shared with you the best source code for creating hostel management system software. So you can create professional hostel management system software by purchasing this source code. If you have any query about this video, then comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much for watching this video in full. If you don't want to miss our next videos, then definitely subscribe our channel.